Well, within 40 minutes to an hour, this thing will be gone and a new coil will be inside for the furnace. Original furnace is staying though. Yep, roughly 42 minutes to an hour. We kind of trimmed up these bushes, but the thing wasn't really working very well anymore. But got a little more space back here, kind of fit through right here. A little easier work, and won't have to put the unit so close to the wall. And yeah, it's getting replaced. It's 8:20 right now. Install's supposed to happen at about 9 a.m. All right, so now we're starting on the evaporator coil. He's given us permission. He's already pumped it down, so we're not gonna leak any refrigerant.
Do we need? This is my unit.
Exactly.
Do what I want.
But he's told us to come down and do it. So here we are. We're gonna get the coil out because we're putting a new one in. That's he's got the. We got the coil out, and then he out here got the condenser out right here.
I'll put the new unit on. It's huge. I wasn't in here whenever they opened up the box. I was up there helping them. I opened up the evaporator box.
I opened the box.
So
I helped open the box down
on
here.
video?
No.
Oh.
Well, actually, no.
We both get slightly different.
We're gonna try and bend in one of those bends, but
The unit came out of the back with a few games. Either down here, one down here. We're gonna straighten this one out.
still lots of dents, but we're mostly worried about the ones on the top. All right, here's Kyle's new Comfortaire that replaced the CKC right there. Comfortaire, 2.5 ton. It's actually a 2022 unit as well, from February actually because of the B there. Everything's here. Looks nice too.